Good morning, everyone present here. Let me introduce myself to you. My name is Yavna Choprigad and I am from CSM. My roll number is 23 Today I am going to give presentation about static and default methods from the subject groups through Java. Java interfaces and methods. Java interfaces are abstract types that allow the definition of methods without implementations. They provide a way to achieve abstraction and multiple inheritance in Java. Interfaces can be used to define a contract that implementing classes must adhere to. Abstract class. Any class containing the abstract method is an abstract class. We must declare the class with a keyword called abstract. For example, let us take for example abstract class my class. An abstract class is incomplete. It has a missing method bodies. You cannot initiate an abstract class. Now let us understand default methods. Default methods were introduced in Java 8 to allow interfaces to have method implementations. They enable developers to add new methods to interfaces without breaking existing implementations. A default method is defined using the keyword default followed by the method signature. Now let us take a look at the benefits of our default methods. Default methods help in enhancing interfaces while maintaining backward compatibility. They allow for code reuse by providing common implementation. Implementing classes can override default methods to provide specific behavior when needed. Now let us take a look at syntax of default methods. The default method is declared in interface using the default keyword before the method name. The method can include a body which provides a default method. For example, default void my default method. Now, as we have seen in the picture interface after introduction of default methods and abstract classes, we are seeing the differences between both of them. Uses of default methods. Default methods are useful in involving APIs while maintaining compatibility with existing code. They can be employed in libraries to provide common functionalities without altering existing classes. Default methods support the implementation of mixins, allowing classes to inherit behaviors from multiple resources. Now let us take a look at the understanding of static methods. Static methods in interfaces were also introduced in Java 8, allowing methods to be called on the interface itself. These methods cannot be overridden by implementing classes as they belong to interface type. A static method is defined using the keyword static followed by a method signature. Some of the benefits of our static methods or static methods interfaces can serve as utility or helper functions. They could provide common functionalities that doesn't require instance of implementing class. By using static methods, developer can avoid cluttering implementing classes with utility methods. Now let us take a look at our syntax of static method. Static method is declared an interface using the static keyword. The method can have a body and can be called using the interface name. For example, static int add integer a integer b written a plus b can be called by my interface dot add 5 or 3. Uses of static methods or idea for implementing factory methods that create instances of the classes. They can be used for define constants or utility functions relevant to the interface's purpose. Static methods allow for grouping related functionalities within the interface, enhancing organization. Now let us conclude our presentation with a quick note from all the above slides. Default and static methods provide significant enhances to the interfaces in Java. They enable developers to evolve interfaces without sacrificing backward capability. Understanding these features is essential for designing flexible and maintainable Java applications. This outline can be used to create side presentation of default static interfaces. And here we are given a clear example of the static and default methods by using an interface. And thank you very much for giving me this wonderful opportunity. I hope all are having a nice day ahead. And thank you.